Can $15 and one AI tool build a website that actually makes money? That's what I'm about to find out in this video. The hardest part of building a website isn't actually building it out, but figuring out what to create. The rule I and many other side hustlers and small entrepreneurs follow is actually rather simple, which is solve a problem that many people have, right? Something that people are actively searching for, clicking on, and actively looking for an answer to. You can actually use Google Trends to find popular online topics, and I personally love using Reddit to just find those questions that people are actively looking for over and over again. And that is precisely how I found out about my idea. I started browsing personal finance subreddits and side hustle communities because I was curious about the challenges that people were facing. I wanted to build something that was actually useful, and the same questions kept popping up over and over again. Questions like, how much do I need to save for a house? Or, how long is it going to take to save for a car? Or how much should I be putting away for retirement? I mean, these are questions I even ask myself all the time. So I went to Google and started typing them. And, before I could even finish, autocomplete filled in the rest. And that's how I landed on my idea for a goal gap calculator. And look, the idea is actually rather simple. You simply type in what you're saving for, whether that's a house, a wedding, retirement, just, whatever. It also gives you like a visual timeline. It allows you to save your progress once you're logged in. And of course, it uses AI to make the experience a lot more personalized. And I feel like that is what makes it different from other calculators that you're gonna find on Google. Most of them are just gonna give you a number, whereas I wanted to build something that actually allows you to stay on track. So let's just go ahead and build it together. And by the way, this is part of the Build With Me series where we sit down together and we build real websites, real products, and real businesses using AI. So if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Now remember, I only have $15 to work with, so hiring a developer or learning how to code is not an option. What I need is a way to describe what I need in plain English and turn it into a working website. And that's the whole idea behind Hostinger's website builder and the reason I'm actually using it here. So we're gonna need one of these plans, which include hosting and a free domain, and what gets us the whole site for less than $15. And if you actually use the code in the description box, the cost comes down even further. And we'll also need a free ChatGPT account and connect it to Hostinger like this. And believe it or not, this step is important because using one clear AI prompt is much faster than trying to write multiple prompts and clarify things step by step. It reduces time, it saves you credits, and it's overall just gonna help you get better results. So let's go ahead and describe exactly what we want so ChatGPT actually generates the prompt that we're gonna be using. Because the goal is to make money, I'm gonna ask it to build, monetization into the experience from the start, and then reserve space for ads where they don't interrupt the user. All right, the prompt looks in good shape, so I'm gonna ask the AI to build a website with the information in the chat, and here's my working prototype. All right, I actually love the design. The calculator works, the charts are there, and the design is a really solid starting point, but there are still some changes that I probably want to make. I'm going to add in user accounts so people can sign in, save their progress, and come back to it later instead of starting from scratch every time. This should make the calculator more personalized and easier to sell. And I'll add the selling point. The calculator will stay free, but if someone wants a more detailed breakdown of their savings plan, they can unlock it with a very cheap subscription. All right, cool. Now let's remove the features that don't really fit and add new goal types like, an education fund. I also want each number to be editable so people can adjust values by dragging sliders or typing manually. And I think I just had an idea. What if on top of the calculator, users could chat with an AI goal coach that helps them make better decisions? For example, they could ask the AI, okay, how can I reach my savings goal faster? Free users could get a couple of questions for free, but then paying subscribers could get unlimited access to the AI. And here it is, and I actually love this. All right, I'm also gonna create dedicated landing pages for every goal type so each one has a chance to rank in Google. And as I grow this website, I could obviously add more pages. Like the idea is to cover every corner of my niche, which should help me build topical authority. All right, I think I'm pretty happy with this version of the website. So let's just see what it looks like on mobile. Okay, good. Now I'm just gonna connect it to a custom domain, and since the domain's already included free for the first year with a plan, that's one less thing to pay for separately, which is great. So then I just hit publish and the website is officially live. All right, now it's time to monetize it. All right, so the plan here is pretty simple: to set up ads through Google AdSense on the website, which means that every single time someone sees and clicks on one of those ads, Google shares a little bit of that revenue with me. I sort of like this model just because it keeps the tool free and has no upfront costs, which is important given my budget. So let's just go ahead and set it up. All right, so I'll just go to adsense.google.com and create an AdSense account with my Google account. I'm going to go ahead and add my website and choose my payment country, accept the terms, and just click start using AdSense. So far, so easy. I mean, is that even a saying? Next, I'm going to connect the website itself by clicking on sites and on the website URL. Google is going to give me like a small verification code that I need to paste between the head tags on each page of my site. This sounds a little bit technical, so instead of actually digging through the code myself, I'm just going to copy that snippet and ask Hostinger Horizons to add it between the head tags on every page. That's actually one of the biggest advantages of building with AI. Like, we don't have to do any of those technicalities ourselves. I'm also gonna go ahead and ask Horizons to create an ads.txt file using the content Google provides and just have it publish it to the root of my website. And essentially this is gonna tell advertisers that Google is authorized to, sell ads on this domain. All right, so once that's done, I'm publishing the changes. This is very important, so don't forget to do it, and just submitting the website for Google to review. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't actually know is that Google does verify your identity. This means that once you've earned around $10, they're gonna send you a PIN to your physical mailing address, which you'll need to verify with Google before Google starts actually sending you payouts. And that sort of makes sense because Google does like to review the websites to make sure that the content on them are of quality content, that they have clear navigation, and that it follows its rules and guidelines. Sometimes approval only takes a few days, but it can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, so just be a little patient. All right, so while this review is actually happening and taking place, I'm going to turn on auto ads and auto optimize, which lets Google automatically decide where ads should appear instead of me guessing. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and head over to payments, and I'll add my bank account and my mailing address. Once the account gets approved, the website can start generating revenue through AdSense. But of course, the bigger challenge is actually getting people to land on the website and finding the website. So let's talk about traffic. My main long-term strategy is simply organic traffic, meaning letting people find the website through Google. But I'm not gonna lie, SEO does take time. The way you do this is to create a lot of pages around different financial topics, having each page target and answer a particular question that people are looking for. Some pages can focus on savings goals, some other pages can focus on retirement goals, budgeting, monthly planning, dividends, compound interest, and each one can then link back to the calculator. The goal is, of course, to have all these pages over time bring in more and more visitors and generate even more revenue through ads as well. Now, of course, don't disregard social media and online communities. Those places can help you as well capture traffic. Try to create content around the problems that your tool solves. Share useful examples, answer frequently asked questions, and when it makes sense, point people to the calculator if you think that's helpful. Over time, you'll find that this strategy alongside SEO will bring traffic to your website. So, can $15 actually build a website that makes money? I think it can, but the real test starts now. I've just launched this website, so let me know down in the comments if you want a follow-up video where I share the results over time. Now, this is just one example. If you want to see more ideas on how to make money online, check out this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you there.